Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Today we're gonna open a Hatchimal Pixie for you guys.
So it's Hatchimal Pixies Royal Snowball. And these are all the ones that you can get. So there's 8 to collect. And I think that's all.
So let's get
So
started.
let's get started. Go ahead and open it. Good job. Good. Gunner. Need help?
Be careful. Be careful, Mama.
Okay.
It's because there's a little fairy sleeping inside. Be careful.
Look at that. That is cute. It's glittery. It has a little heart. It's very cute.
Look, there's a little decoration.
Oh, that's cool.
I'm gonna rub the heart.
A little decoration.
Can you rub the heart and make it all pink for me before I can hatch it? We need to find a soft heart.
Guess we rub it? What do we do?
We rub it and make it all pink.
I didn't read that. I don't know. Where does it say that?
Here, I'll do it.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Can I do it?
Yeah, of course. I don't think you have to rub it, though. I think you just... Don't you break it open?
Yeah, but we need to make it pink.
Can I see the guide? Thank you. Let's see. This is the directions. Oh, there's a dance floor. That's what that's for. The little decoration thing.
I can't make it pink.
Yeah, I'm not sure how to do that, buddy.
But we do make it pink.
If you guys know, let us... If you guys know how to make it pink, let us know in the comments. I don't know, babe. I would just... These are all the ones that you can get. I think these are the same that was on the back of the packaging.
Yeah, they are.
Pretty cute. All right. Honey, I'm not sure about that.
But we do that.
Go ahead and open it.
Okay.
Ooh.
Her hair is gold. I see her face. Who did I get?
Who did you get?
No, her hair is rainbow.
Is Rainbow?
I think I got the rainbow one.
That's pretty cool.
Her wings bobbled. Oh my.
I'm so excited.
Me too.
I want to see which one you got.
Me too.
Hurry up.
See?
Whoa. Wait, let me see. I want to see it. I want to see it.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. How cute is that? Do you want to take her out?
No, Hemi.
You go
Hemi
ahead.
keep clapping.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's see which one she is.
Oh
Let's
my.
see.
She had 2 backpacks.
Is she on here?
Also, let me see.
Yeah, you tell me. I'm confused. I don't see anyone with gold hair. We'll have to see. Oh, I see. Peach Paulette. I think she's this one. We'll wait until she gets her out. Is that... No, that's not her.
Oh my.
Oh my goodness. Oh, it's Wishing Star Willow. It's that one.
Oh my. It's so
Oh, she's so cute. Look at her glittery hair.
trying to get her.
Oh my gosh. I love her wings. They feel like they're like jelly.
Yeah, all their wings are
And
jelly.
they, you know, move. And her gold hair. Oh my goodness. She has a little pink right there. And her little blue outfit. Oh, she has like stars and moons. I don't know if you can see that. How adorable. Oh, and little stars on her shoes. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. I'm happy with that. That is very cute. And that's the dance floor, right?
Oh.
So let's put her in there. Oh, wait. Guys, there's more stuff. There's a blind bag. Let me see the blind bag. Let me open it for you.
Oh, what? No, put her on the dance floor.
You want me to... Here's the dance floor. I guess you spin that. Ooh, cool. Let's put her on.
Can you open this for me?
Yeah. Cool. Dance floor. There you go. Let's see. What is this? It's a blind bag, guys. What's in it? There you go. I didn't know there was going to be a blind bag. Maybe I just didn't read it.
Oh my mama. There's nothing else in there. There's two
Ooh, what's that?
things. She's glasses.
Oh, what?
Look at them.
Oh, I'm sorry, guys. You can't even see.
Oh,
What's that?
it's a headband. Look at her.
The
two
mess she
things.
made. Okay. How cute is that? Little glasses and a headband with a little, with
Can you-
stars.
Oh,
Looks like that's a sideways moon, upside down. I don't know.
Mama.
She's so cute.
Yeah.
Here, let me see the dance floor, because this goes on the dance floor.
Oh.
Let's see. Yep, there's a little slot right here. And I think that's where it goes. Yep. How cute is that?
Oh no! Can
Little
you
dance
help?
floor.
Mama, can you
What was
please
that?
help me?
Yep. Got it.
Thank you.
Look, cute. Can I put her accessories on?
Yep.
Let's see. Her little glasses. There's little holes back there that I assume you pop them in. Oh my gosh.
Can I see?
Of course.
Can you
Yeah,
put the
there's two little
headband
holes
on
back
too?
there.
Can you two?
Yes, where's the headband? Do I still have it? Oh, I have it. Oh, I think you can only put one at a time because these have holes. These go into the holes too.
But I wanna see her with the glasses.
Yeah. Oh, I can't get this one in.
That's okay.
Well, you get it, guys, right? Look how cute. I know, isn't she adorable?
Yeah.
Should we try the little headband on her now?
No, she's so cute with her on.
You
just
like her
gonna
with the
wait.
glasses?
Yeah, just gonna weave her glasses on.
Okay.
She's so cute.
So cute! I love it.
I love her hair because she has two buns.
Yes, and it's glittery and gold. I love it. Alrighty, friends. Well, thank you for watching our video.
Click and
Click.
supplies.
Subscribe, like, and comment. And we will see you in our next one. Can you say thanks for watching, friends?
Yeah, thanks for watching. Click and subscribe if you like our video.
Bye, guys.
Bye bye.